हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ओनली जॉब्स। तो गाइस इस वीडियो में हम देखने वाले दो बहुत ही बड़ी जॉब अपडेट्स जो कि जियो और पीपल टेक की तरफ से। ओके गाइस, सो इस वीडियो में हम वही डिस्कस करने वाले जैसे कि सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस, व्हाट विल बी द एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया, व्हाट विल द पैकेज एंड व्हाट विल बी द जॉब लोकेशन। वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस एवरीथिंग इन डिटेल। सो गाइस, मेक श्योर यू आर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो till the end. And guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will not miss any further job updates. Okay guys, so let's see first job update, which is from Jio. Okay guys, so Jio is hiring uh, as an online off-campus recruitment drive for BTech for the branches CSIT ANTC 2021 batch, current final year starting from 6th July, and which is organized by Pimpri Chinchwad Education Trust PCET Pune, June 2021. And guys, this is a basic Google form from which you can apply for the job. So let's talk about company is a Jio, and eligibility criteria for this is 2021 batch pass outs and current final year students. Eligible branches are BTech in CS, IT and ENTC are eligible. After that, the minimum 60% in diploma at 10th, or if you have done 12th then in 12th. And in B there is a criteria of 6.75 CGPA, and no year drops during engineering or current backlogs. This is the eligibility criteria guys, and salary will be 3.5 lakhs per annum. Okay guys, after that the selection process. In selection process there is a round 1. So in round 1 there will be a technical aptitude test which will be carried from 6th July to 8th July, and in round 2 there will be a technical interview round 1, and after the technical interview they will appear for the second round, that is online test on 9th July. After interview there will be another round which will be a coding round I think, and which will be held at 9th July 2021. Round 3, similarly shortlisted candidates from online test will appear for L1 technical round and L2 final round based on their performance in each round between 10th and 12th July. So guys, this is a selection process guys, and the timelines might extend by a day or two depending upon the count of candidates. So this is a not basic, and yeah guys, so this is a form where you have to fill email, first name, last name, phone number, college name, your branch, your home location, only current city and state, 10th passing year, 12th and BE, we take your marks, and year of pass out. So yeah, this is the basic information. I have shared a link in the description. Make sure you are applying for the jobs. Okay guys, so let's see next job update, which is from Cognitive Systems hiring for junior software developer for the BTech, MEM Tech from the branch CSE, IT, ENTC, and pass out years are 2019 and 20. Job location will be Hyderabad. Okay guys, so this is a junior software engineer role. So here is a desired qualifications: only 2020 batch pass outs, no backlogs, excellent in verbal and written communication, must have knowledge of in C++, excellent communication skills, both written and oral, presentation skills, and yeah, this is your role. That branches eligible are BE, BTech, CSE, IT and ENTC, and package will be 2.4 lakhs per annum. Bond if any 18 months bond will be there, and there will be in selection process there are 3 rounds. In first round you will be facing online aptitude test, and after that there will be a technical interview and HR interview. So yeah guys, this is a basic test structure of selection criteria, and here is the form you can fill here. Okay guys, so you have to upload your resume. So these are